Loading the dishes properly. Plastic items will not dry well compared to other items. Make sure that items do not touch each other. Deep-based items should be placed upside down. The separators on the cutlery rack help keep utensils separated, avoid damage, and improve cleaning. Cycles and options. Select the correct cycle based on soil level and type of dishes being washed. Refer to the owner's manual. Select high temp and extra dry option for better drying performance. Check the rinse aid. Rinse aid is necessary to remove spots and streaks of water from dishes as well as improve drying. The rinse aid indicator appears in the display when more rinse aid is needed. Adjust the rinse aid level. Please see the owner's manual. Do not use liquid rinse aid if the detergent tablet contains a rinse aid agent already. Otherwise, excessive foaming will occur and cause poor drying and streaking on dinnerware. If drying performance is poor or water stains remain, you may need to add an extra rinse. Using the AOD feature, Auto Open Door. Activate the AOD, Auto Open Door feature on some models. The door will automatically open at the end of a program that includes drying in order to enhance drying performance. On models without the AOD, Auto Open Door feature, slightly open the door after operation for better drying results.